Welcome back, Crammers, to question 20. The scale diagram shows the position on a map of a house A. Scale is 1 centimeter, represents 200 meters. House C is on a bearing of 110 degrees from A. The distance from A to C is 700 meters. Mark the position of C on the diagram with a cross. Label your cross C. So first off, we can say that it's 110 degrees. So it's somewhere in this direction, but we don't know what length. We can see that 700 divided by 200 gives us 3.5. So it is equivalent to 3.5 centimeters. So we simply draw this out. 1, 2, 3.5. And we simply draw a cross and we label this C. This is also 110 degrees. And write the scale of the map in the form 1 is to n. So we already know that it's 1 centimeter is to 200 meters. We just have to convert everything into one format. And since it's asking 1 already given, that means that centimeters remain centimeters. Convert 200 meters to centimeters. So a meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. So we multiply this by 100. So we get 1 centimeter is equivalent to 20,000 centimeters. 20,000. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.